to another video, and today we are here with my Grandpa Rick. And today we're going to be making cupcakes. And the best part is we're going to decorate them at the end. Okay, let's get started. Time to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Let's do it. But make sure to have your parents or an adult help doing this. So Grandpa's gonna do it.
Okay, 350 degrees, Cora.
Yep.
Right there.
It's time to Betty Crocker cake mix into our bowl. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
I have vanilla.
Oh my gosh. That scared me because I thought it was all gonna go on the table. I'm like, yeah. Then we add our water.
That was easy enough.
Then we add our water.
This is water.
Please don't spill.
How much water is this?
I don't know. I just add it, I guess. Then this thing. I mean oil, not this. I'm weird. Okay, whatever. Ooh, I got a joke for you guys. Okay.
Oil?
Why did the eggs have to go to the hospital?
Why did the egg have to go to the hospital?
Because they were cracked up from a joke.
Aha, that's a good one.
I have another one. But
That is a good one. I put my eggs in here too, just like
yes.
you.
That first day went.
That looks easy enough.
Sorry, I got that. Let's stir it.
Stir it up.
Yes. Oh my gosh. So satisfying. I see the eggs that I made a joke with. How's your batter coming along?
Well, I'm not sure. I'm having fun though.
Okay, guys, I have another joke. Okay, it's not involved baking, by the way, but Grandpa Rick, why did the stuffed animal bear say no to cake?
I have no idea why the stuffed animal bear said no to cake.
Because he was already stuffed.
He was already stuffed. That's a good yolk. Get it? Yolk?
I'm mixing our dough thing. My mom sprayed the pan with some Pam. Now it's time to put these thingies, I forgot what they're called, the wrapper things on the thing. Are you gonna go just white or are you gonna do different colors?
I think I'll be creative today. We just set them in here like this?
Yes. Creativity is always number one. Remember that. We're done putting all the wrapper thingies in. Now it's time to put the batter. So let's do it.
All right.
Oh, it just burped. Oh. Now we're only filling them up halfway, okay?
Okay. I did mine in red, white, and blue, my favorite three colors.
Yeah, probably because you're American.
All right.
We're going to be putting my cupcakes, my beautiful cupcakes, into the really warm oven. But my Grandpa Rick's gonna do it.
It's hot. Okay. I'm going to slide them in. Shut the door.
Oof. Okay. Now, just wait. We made the cupcakes, but what's a cupcake without frosting? So we're going to be making homemade frosting. Let's get to it. So you don't really have to put them in order. You just plop it in. Plop it. Let's plop it in. So I'll see you guys in like 1 second. It's time to mix our stuff. Let's get mixing.
Oh my goodness, where's Cora?
Run!
Oh! Oh, there you are. Shouldn't you be showing us how to put the color in the icing now?
Okay. So we put them all in bowls now, and we picked two colors. And we're going to put like 5-10 drops in it and add along the way. So let's do it. Gotta get the.
Send it.
You gotta send it.
That's 6 drops. Is that good?
I don't. Yeah, it should be. I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
I'm gonna do like 7.
I've got blue.
3,
Ooh, look
4,
at that. It's turning blue.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I did 11. Okay, I did 11 peeps. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it, stir it, stir it up, stir it up. Gotta stir, 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 stir.
Oh, yeah, this is fun.
Gosh.
Turning it from
Fast.
white to blue. Oh,
Hey, you got red. Oh, wait, never mind. You didn't get red. I got red. But, oh, wait, I got red. Gonna put the red.
okay.
We made 4 different kinds of frosting. We put them all in bags, and we are going to decorate them with different endpoints. So let's do it. I'm gonna use the green first. Oh my gosh.
And we can just get creative, right?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna try yellow.
I'm not. This is like my first time, I think, frosting an actual cupcake, and I think I'm doing great.
You really?
Yes. Probably because I'm a master. Oh, I made a little mistake, but who cares?
Whoa. This is a lot harder than it looks.
Yeah. It's so funny because when you watch other people, you like think it's so easy. And then when you do it, it's like, oh my gosh, this is the hardest thing ever.
I made a Mr. Bill cupcake.
Wow.
Now, let me see. We got some green here. Oh, you got green. Let me see. Oh,
It's blue. Okay, there's my grass. Now I'm gonna add some flowers. Make it look like some flowers. Oh, I can add some blue flowers. Blue frosting, not the green frosting. Oh my gosh.
that's cute. I think. What do you think?
That scared me. I thought you were actually gonna do that.
I might. Okay.
Great. Okay, whatever. Well, there's my first cupcake. Mwah. A little kiss. Gonna get this cupcake. Ooh, what color? You know what? I'm gonna use yellow since I haven't used it yet. Okay, so remember to make lines or wavy lines. Some tips.
This one's like a bug.
Here, oh, you're like getting it so close to my face. You're like, So scary. I feel like you're gonna do something.
Whoa. This is a lot of work.
We'll be back once we finish. As I'm decorating my last cupcake, just look at these. Some of them are look yummy. Some of them need a little work. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me and my grandpa, Rick. So
My first cupcakes I've ever made.
yep.
Look at those.
I think I made this one for him.
You did?
Yeah, that's for you.
Well, I'll swan.
Bye, guys.
Cupcakes. Look at that. Isn't that something?
Boom.
Making cupcakes with Cora.
Thanks for watching another Cora's Corner video.
All right.